y'all.
Good job. Anyway,
Oh, that's great.
don't mind that, guys. Welcome. I'm Shelbster, and Kamby Ram just left, but she's coming back. And this is the first episode of Kamby Kraft, right?
Actually, no. I have one other one, but it has like no sound, which is like kind of depressive for my espresso.
Is that a village? No.
So I'm.
And we're gonna be using shaders in this one because it just makes the Minecraft world look really. Oh, there she is. Really pretty.
It's really epic.
Really.
Is that a ravine?
What?
Is that a ravine?
I don't. There we go. Is it?
Yeah.
Oh my god, there's a baby. Oh, I thought there was a baby. Okay, well, it's getting.
Oh my god, do you know how laggy this is?
Dude, look at the sky. It's pretty out. I'm not lagging.
I am, like, really bad.
We'll go.
If I fall.
You'll laugh. Ooh, it's pretty.
I am lagging so bad.
It's worse than how I was lagging earlier.
Huh?
It's worse how I was lagging. I literally couldn't even do anything. Why are you getting bamboo?
I don't know. You have it, so. Okay.
Oh, yeah, I do. How?
Because,
Oh, we should have really started in the daytime.
we should go like, oh, there's a skeleton apocalypse.
That's great. Oh, ow. Anyway, guys, make sure to hit the like, put a bunch of creepers in the like button's, house. No, I can't run. I don't know why. There we go. Ow, we're gonna be deleting the first one with no sound, but make sure you hit a like and click the link down below to my
God,
Instagram.
I'm dying. What am I dying from? Can you help me?
You're getting shot at.
I know how.
Just go through the tree.
He's right there. Go down.
Come on! Come on, let's go, Kamby Ram.
There's a skeleton.
Ow, the moon.
Come on.
I don't like this. I don't like dying.
Creeper.
Why are they so fast? Go away! Nobody loves you!
I have melons.
Mmm.
Oh my god, there's another ravine. No, it's not a ravine.
That'd be epic. Where are you?
I'm over here.
I thought those were a bunch of creepers, but it was sunflowers.
Where are you?
I found another ravine.
Yeah, that's what I thought. You're close to me. Okay. I also thought that.
Hi, Creeper. Oh, he just fell. Oh, I see iron. Oh my god, it's so pretty down there.
Where are you?
By the ravine. I see you. Turn around. Look at my screen.
I can see you, Jesus. Come on.
How come the shaders turned on for you too?
I don't know.
You don't even have to download it. That's like there's like an Enderman.
Oh my god, there's actually a huge ravine.
I know.
I thought that I lied, but no, I did not.
I almost fell down it. Today, I don't think we're gonna start building anything. We're just gonna be looking for the perfect place to build, basically.
It's kind of epic.
We're back at the.
Probably gonna get like discriminated for music. So.
I don't think they can hear it barely.
Well,
but this is gonna be posted on the same account, just in different views, basically.
Where are you, Jesus?
I don't know.
Come on. Frick. Is that a village?
Where? Where? I don't think that's a village. I wish you could eat bamboo.
Same, like it's edible, like in real life, but like in Minecraft, nothing. Yeah, it's not a village, but nothing's edible in Minecraft because it stopped hating on Sonic.
Probably eat leaves.
You probably eat weeds.
I don't think there's a village here, Cameron.
There's not. I lied. I'm accident. How do you lie on accident?
I'm gonna get some melon.
Where?
Pee.
Awesome, Milan. You're about to die from. Okay, come on. Come this way.
I'm eating. How far are they? Ah!
Go this way. I'm going to die.
Ah. There's a lot of skeletons.
Yeah, I know it.
Dude, what are you doing?
I don't know.
Oh, geez, shit is a little bit messed up down here. Oh. I feel like we could build another tree house.
So, oh my god, there's a zombie.
From Cocoa Bean.
No one cares. Coca-Cola.
Crazier for Cocoa Puffs. Ow, that hurts. Stop. Leave me alone, you bully.
Oh my god.
What? Ah! I have a heart. Go away. Make it day!
I can't, you retard. You are the world. Oh my god, I'm starving.
Oh my god. We're gonna die. That's...
We can get on top of the tree because of the vines. Give me some food.
I don't have any food. Make it day, make it day, make it day.
Just go and I'll get it. I have 1 heart. I have 1 heart. I have 1 heart.
Ah, Skeletors! Witches! I'm getting on top of this tree. Why is my controls messed up? Okay, there we go. Oh, okay.
He's gonna get me. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna.
Dude, teleport to me.
Get my stuff. Actually, don't.
Ah,
I'm dying again.
I
Wow.
kind of died. It's okay.
Wow.
We didn't have that. Okay, yep. We're making a day. Go away. Make a day, make a day, make a day, make a day. Burn! Yes!
What a queen. Like, y'all. Let's go this way. Let's go this way. There's a lot of open space. But there's not that many trees, but there's also a lot of flowers.
Oh.
Well, it's not flower, but there's a lot of
Ow.
flowers. So.
Ow! Leave me alone, bullies!
Yeah, there's a sheep. There's sheep.
Oh,
There's
yeah.
3 sheep, and I claim them.
I burped. There's more sheep. I claim them. Why are we claiming sheep? Who knows? There's 2 sheep. Claim. Claim. I claim you. Stop. I claim you. Yay, I claimed them. That'd be epic if one of you just like dropped 2 pieces
I already
of
care
wool.
where you are. So.
Oh, you only have 2 pieces of wool.
Yeah, so do you. They're 2 different colors.
I can just
pretty
recolor
racist.
them at the sunflower
Where
field.
are you?
I'm frolicking in the flowers.
Frolicking? I don't know what that means.
Do you want to build in the jungle? Or no? Because most likely there's going to be a lot of not open space, so let's go.
I need wood. Do you have wood?
No. A wool.
Yeah.
I don't think we're going to start building it. I think we should build on top of the mountain.
Yeah. Oh my god. Do you see that?
Yeah.
That is great.
Looks like a tooth.
We can diamond mine.
Oh.
Hey Siri. You suck.
Oh. Here, I think we should...
Where are you? I'm going.
I'm right here. I see you. I'm coming. Once we get up there, I feel like we should end the video there.
Okay. Frick.
You freaking pricks.
Oh, frick. I'm going to not commit die.
Ow.
But I will die commit.
Crap.
If you don't freaking commit die, I'm gonna freaking die my commit. It's not even a cave.
Well, we could still like build in there, I guess. Where are you? Are you in it? Oh, there's a lot of coal.
Yeah.
That's a plus.
Yeah, that's a plus. Oh my gosh, I'm like almost on top. I'm on top. I'm just like Jake Paul.
What?
I'm just like Jake Paul, because you know how he's always on top?
Oh.
Oh, he's always on top.
Is it?
Oh my
Jeez,
god,
we should build in
teleport to
there.
me. Yes.
We're going.
Shib. Shiznets.
She's nuts.
He's nuts.
I think that's a real thing.
Probably.
I mean, why would it not be a real thing? It actually doesn't sound half that bad.
Oh my god, there's like nothing in there, so we can like clear it out.
It's very dark.
I know.
The shaders make the world really pretty, so that's good. Well, and I'm almost
Oh
there.
my god, this is so pretty. I kinda
This is being annoying.
Oh my god, look!
I'm just teleporting. Oh, that's where dogs are.
Yeah, here I got. No, here. Oh.
Okay, I'm here. Oh, this is pretty. Anyway. Yeehaw faces. We are going to end the video here when she gets back. And if you want us to build here, we can also do that. So, yeah. I have a feeling we should build right here. It's nice and flat. And then up here could be like extra room, or like another little place of the house, so the house could expand right here. This could be like an extra house because we're gonna have guests or something. So we're just gonna cut back until she gets back.
Oh, that's sad.
Anyway, don't mind that. That's just recording. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and have an amazing evening, day. And don't forget to give your grandma a kiss, because everybody's grandma enjoys that. So, yeah, bye.